First off, thank you so much for taking the time. I know it's a little crazy right now, but with Mother's Day right around the corner, we're all kind of trying to get creative and think of ways to spoil mom. So what would you suggest as something good that we could treat mom to?
Hi, Jillian. Thanks for having me today. I know it's a kind of a time of uncertainty, and we're trying to do a lot of home things, and I think with Mother's Day's coming up, this is a great time to kind of help, especially being second home, to do a couple DIY things to do home for Mother's Day. There's a lot of things in our kitchen and at home that we can do for facials.
So I see you have a couple items probably just from right in your pantry or refrigerator there. Can you run me through what we can use and what's pretty simple for all of us to try?
It's really simple, actually. So, my basic thing with facials, I feel like, is to exfoliate, to take the dead skin, and also to hydrate. We need a lot of nutrients, a lot of antioxidants, to make our face feel smooth, shiny, and renewed again, especially coming into spring, into summer. So a lot of things at home. Steel cut oats. I love oatmeal. Oatmeal is great for exfoliating and also great for calming the skin. A lot of people maybe have some allergies, eczema. Oatmeal is great. Also, baking soda is a great exfoliant. It's very fine, granular. It's almost like a gamage that can exfoliate. I like to mix those. You can mix those. In the hydrating part of it is I like to use coconut oil, avocado, and honey. You can do like a baking soda, avocado, and honey. Honey is emollient, which means it's a hydrating factor, as well as avocado. It's a hydrating, but also has antioxidants, tons of omega fatty acids that we need to hydrate our skin. So to me, I always say take a little bowl, 2 teaspoons of this, a teaspoon of honey, and then a half of avocado, mix it, whip up. You can take a facial brush, a makeup brush, clean it, and you can put it on. Leaving it on for 15 minutes will definitely hydrate. You can also just take plain steel-cut oatmeals and mix it with a little bit of coconut oil and also avocados. And again, it's a great exfoliant. Also, oatmeal is great for eczema, allergies. It's very calming. And you can add that even with a little bit of milk and make it a thick paste. That will really good with eczema, calming, and also a little bit of oil will help with hydration. You could always blend it up and put it in a little bowl with a little lid, and then, putting a little tie around it and, serving it to, your mother. Like, the kids would be a great project, and putting it in a little bowl and a lid. You could put a little mason jar, put a little lid and a bow on it, and then you could have it for, the mothers out there, and they could, the kids, I think, would be a great project for them to give it to their mother.
No, I love it. And I mean, obviously these products are great for anyone, but even extra special is just a way to treat mom to something nice while we can't leave the house.
Yes, exactly.